Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you skin retouching. For this I have altered to open one image with some dark spot. I will make bigger, then you see how is look this image. Okay. First I will take one more copy. After that select this upper layer and I will go to image, adjustment and invert. After that I will go here and vivid light. After that I will go to filter, other, high pass. High pass I keep 23-25, otherwise you can check how you want. When you higher you see how it look like, when you make less you see how it look like, but I am prefer for this 23, maybe little less. (23) Then make OK. Again you can click filter, blur, glacier blur. Glacier blur I keep for 2.3 because when you make higher you see what's happened, disappear. When you make less you see blur, also you see little bit texture. Then you have better you select little down texture visible. For this I use 2.3, maybe 2.2. Okay. After that I click this layer, shift alter and marks, add layer marks. Now disappear. Go to brush tool, make brushes 100 and make bigger. Now you see what's going on. When I painting here you get this skin texture, but you have to be carefully. Most important thing, image details. You not brush eyebrow, eyes, nose edge and lips line. Other thing you can quickly brush. Okay, now you can see I will do it faster because then you can understanding what's how it look like after finishing picture. Just edge I do it carefully. If you want to do again here, you can make less opacity, overflow, otherwise flow. You can little brush, then it's like mixing, not hard. Okay, I will make smaller and make quickly. You can brush here, you will get nice skin tone. But when you doing very carefully, you can do it slowly. But for this I want to show you just technique for learning. For you I do is faster. I hope you now you see how is after this using this few technique is getting better skin tone. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like this, you can practice and practice more and you get better. I will come with another video. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumb up. See you guys.